gracious alive. Y'all want y'all to look at all this water, man. I might be trapped. Probably won't be able to go to the store because it's gonna wet my damn shoes up. Good gracious alive, man. Look at all this water, man. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, shit. God damn. Wet my shoes. Oh, man. I may not be able to go nowhere, bro. Cause it look like it's gonna rain. I'm not gonna be able to go nowhere. Cause it look like these taps are water coming down. Then I just wet up my shoes. I ain't gonna be able to go nowhere, bro. I can't even go no goddamn where, man. No, I'm not gonna be able to go nowhere, man. Cause this rain and come down. Can't do nothing, man. This rain, man. Get trapped out in the rain and shit. Shoot, that rain water got. All right, what's up? Man, I got my shoes wet. Every goddamn thing, bro. Yep. Got my shoes wet. All right, I'm gonna see y'all later.